Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Aries Crochet, and in today's video I share some unique crochet house craft, and in this video I share some crochet house kitchen designs. These are some mini crochet house designs. You will also see some quite different and beautiful embroidery on these small houses, so that make it more beautiful. I hope you like all these designs and enjoy this video. Do watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel for more crochet designs. If you like to see more mini crochet crafts, do let me know in the comment section. I love to see your comments and suggestion in the comment section. Enjoy this video and stay tuned to my channel for more crochet designs. Thanks for watching.